Welcome, 99 Gaming. What to add uh, Touch ID and password, and go on your this is settings and go on this is Touch ID and password and go and add a fingerprint. So something this task by task something this task or continuous and task. Yes, continue. You enter a passcode anywhere. This is I give this or again verify. Yes, add by one. So something verifying your passport. Yes, this is okay. Again, add by one finger. Now again all one. You have chance 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No problem. This is mixed 5 or fingerprint at your all finger is not is I am at 2 is okay, and turn passcode is off. No, I have now off on. And this is iPhone unlock, iTunes and iApps is installing, and password auto field. This is or voice dialing. This is pass is on. This is automatic. This always enable is music control is always enable, and you have USB assist, data access, no problem. This is not need. So home control, wallet, control center, and notification center to review everything. Where address. So thank you, and subscribe my YouTube channel 999 Touch and support me. Thank you.